This is a Manhattan Bound E Express train. The next stop is Sutton Boulevard, Archer Avenue, JFK. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. This is Sutton Boulevard, Archer Avenue, JFK. Transfers available to the J and Z train. Transfers available to the Q44 select bus service. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front platform. This is a Manhattan bound E Express train. The next stop is Jamaica Van Wyck. This is a Manhattan bound E Express train. The next stop is Kew Gardens, Union Turnpike. This is Kew Gardens, Union Turnpike. Transfers available to the F train. Transfers available to the Q10 bus to JFK Airport. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front platform. This is a Manhattan bound E Express train. The next stop is Forest Hills. This is Forest Hill. No, not Forest Hills. This is a Manhattan Down E Express train. The next stop is Jackson Heights, Roosevelt Avenue. Stand clear of closing doors, please. This is Jackson Heights, Roosevelt Avenue. Transfers available to the 7 E, F, M, and R train. Transfer to the Q and Guahi Q70 Select Buses to the Guahi Airport. Transfer to the Q53 Select Buses. This is a Manhattan-bound E Express train. The next stop is Queens Plaza. This is Queens Plaza. Transfers available to the M and R train. This is a Manhattan-bound E Express train. The next stop is Court Square, 23rd Street. This is Court Square, 23rd Street. Transfers available to the 7 and M trains. 7 and G trains. This is a Manhattan-bound E Express train. The next stop is Lexington Avenue, 53rd Street. This is Lexington Avenue, 53rd Street. Transfers available to the 6 and to the M and M trains. This is a Manhattan-bound E Express train. The next stop is 5th Avenue, 53rd Street. This is 5th Avenue, 53rd Street. Transfers available to the M train. This is a Manhattan-bound E Express train. The next stop is 7th Avenue, 53rd Street. This is 7th Avenue, 53rd Street. Transfers available to the B and D trains. This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is 50th Street. This is 50th Street. Transfers available to the Brooklyn bound C train. This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is 42nd Street, Port Authority Bus Terminal. This is 42nd Street, Port Authority Bus Terminal. Transfers available to the 1, 2, 3, 7, A, B, C, D, F, M, N, Q, R, and W trains, and shuttle to Grand Central. Connections available to the Port Authority Bus Terminal. This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is 34th Street, Penn Station. This is a World Trade Center bound E. This is 34th Street, Penn Station. Transfers available to the M34 Select Bus Service. Connections available to Long Island Railroad, New Jersey Transit, and Amtrak. This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is 23rd Street. This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is 14th Street. This is 14th Street. Transfers available to the A and L trains. Transfers available to the M14 Select Bus Service. This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is West 4th Street. This is West 4th Street. Transfers available to the B, D, F, A, B, D, F, and M trains. This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is Spring Street. This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is Canal Street. This is Canal Street. Transfers available to the A and C trains. This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next and last stop is World Trade Center. This is World Trade Center. Transfers available to the 1, to the 2, 3, A, C, E, R, and W trains. Connections available to PATH trains. This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe if you are new. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.